don't know how well this is going to come out.
5.
Here's Aubrey's 12th.
6.
So you said this is one of your best birthdays ever? Yeah? What made it special?
Just being with my whole family, getting really cool, getting to go to my favorite restaurant for dinner, getting to listen to my favorite song, everybody wishing me happy birthday in the cafeteria.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
Will they make an announcement?
Well, during lunch, it says what day your birthday is.
Oh, wow.
It sings a happy birthday song, and then everybody joins in.
Well, that's cool.
Then
Can I turn that light on?
Okay.
also...
How do you turn that light on, guys?
Oh, over here.
Just so you can see. There we go.
And then next was, because I got to see the guy that I like.
So not a bad day, huh?
I got it. Oh.
And yeah.
That's it, huh?
You can expect my budget. Oh, hat on the head.
Okay.
These are called the nuclear warhead candles. If you don't blow them off in a certain time, it will blow up your entire cake.
Okay, which one of your friends slammed this thing against the ground, Jordan? Well, I had to rip through it to get it to...
You always get blamed for everything, don't you, Jordan?
Jordan, go turn the smoke cooler off for me.
So my candles don't blow themselves out.
Okay, so sing happy birthday first. Ready? Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday, dear Aubrey. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish. Make it good.
My dream's bound to come true now.
Chris.
And you're gonna narrate it as like, what was Virginia Vagina?
Oh yeah, Virginia Vagina. Here we are at the Herbal Symposium. Kelly's gonna try to move all her stuff
Aubrey is
with Aubrey in the Rainbow Mobile.
No!
Which I didn't notice until later. I'm like, oh great. And I get the wheelbarrow, and they're gonna go check it out. Oh, you should wait for me.